Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by finding the program exe or its shortcut in File Explorer. This is where compatibility settings live. Once located, right-click and choose Properties, then switch to the Compatibility tab. You need administrative privileges for permanent changes, so make sure you have them now. Otherwise, the system will block saves. This early step matters because compatibility options alter how Windows emulates older APIs, and setting them from the correct file ensures you target the actual executable rather than a wrapper shortcut. Once on the Compatibility tab, check Run this program in compatibility mode and pick the Windows version the app was built for. This forces legacy behavior. Then consider Run this program as an administrator to grant required privileges that modern accounts restrict. Make adjustments for high DPI scaling if visuals are blurry, choose System, System Enhanced, or Application to test. If you want everyone on the machine to use these settings, click Change Settings for all users so the configuration applies system-wide and avoids per-account discrepancies. After selecting options, click Apply and OK, then launch the program to test behavior. A quick reboot can resolve residual locking or DLL load issues. If it works, create a desktop shortcut pointing to the configured exe so you always run the patched version. If problems remain, run the Program Compatibility Troubleshooter from Settings Right Arrow Update and Security Right Arrow Troubleshoot. It can auto-detect fixes or suggest alternate Windows versions. If automatic tools fail, try a different compatibility target or reinstall the app with compatibility settings active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.